You are entering a restricted area.
Welcome, L2L Innovator. Your access is granted.
Okay, this is my first time using the live with school, so I don't know how I feel about it yet, but so far it's letting me record.
So you know another thing you can do, you doing your class right now?
Yeah. Okay. So okay, so I sent out a post in the community early this morning because I felt like a lot of you guys are probably stuck with getting your prompt for the app. So if you are feeling stuck, here is the prompt. I would like for you to go in and take a look. I'm going to get it to open. Okay, that's interesting. It won't open, but again, I'm using this for the first time. So, but go into this post. It's feeling stuck, getting started with your AI app. And in there, I share a 5-minute video just to get you through generating your prompt that you're going to paste into Hostinger. There's also the code to Hostinger for you to sign up if you haven't done that already. So remember, this is the first part of our app building, and we're trying to make some progress. So far, I know one member has started on their app. I haven't heard much feedback from others if they've had a chance to get started, or if they're stuck. But do take this as an opportunity to let me know. You can also reach out to my admin, Frankie. She's here to help. So you can also let her know she's already started this process and well into building her app. The other post that I put in to the community is regarding Suno music. So as you all know, Ari from AI Music University generously has created some courses, and so ported that course over here, and we will be going through some of the lessons in there, and then also doing the music, because I'm gonna tell you, I got so excited. I was generating songs from like 25, 30 years ago that I had written, probably even older than that. And I was just able to bring them back to life, and it just felt so good and so refreshing. So I encourage you guys to check out Suno. I don't know if I made it live yet, but it will be live shortly. And let's try to make some music. I did do a recording. I'm going to do another one because I wanted to show you guys, how to get through it. But there's also recordings in that course as well. But yeah, I want us to have fun in here, while we're still waiting for the app building. I don't want to go too far down. I've already, created several and still troubleshooting through the back end. That is the most challenging part, as I mentioned before. But I'm willing to step all the way through it to get these apps to completion. So if you're really committed and dedicated and want to do it, I would encourage you to, get your prompts and let's see what kind of progress you guys are making as it comes, as it goes to the apps. So as you can see, it seems like everybody's pretty much interested in the AI music. And I love that too. We're also going to be doing the GPTs. And I just learned, well, I think I knew it already, but Gemini, they also will allow you to do custom GPTs, and theirs is called Gem, and had already created one. So I did do a video on that yesterday. I created one of those about 2 weeks ago when I was playing around in there. The only thing I didn't find that's the same as ChatGPT is that it does not give you that conversation piece in the beginning. So I'm still trying to figure that part out. But what I did wind up making was a bookmaker, very similar to the bookmaker they have. And I guess I'll just go ahead and pop in there and kind of show you guys. See if you can still see my screen. Let me go to Gemini. I thought it was pretty cool. Because this book, you actually, it flips the pages. So if you go here, so storybook, and you just randomly pick one of these storybooks. We're going to use this one. Let's try that. It's really easy, but you can also create your own. But I would say play around with this one first. And that was just from the dialogue here, but you can also put it in the chat section here if you have a prompt that you want to use. I got this cup from Ari, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see my cup or not. No, it's coming though. Yeah, Ari will be having merch in the communities, in her RGA communities. It's coming soon, coming soon. So it's almost done. It's creating the illustrations now. So I thought that was pretty cool that it does all this for you. And then you can download it. Comes out F. So I was like, oh shucks, because I really would have loved to have downloaded it and be able to monetize it. But I have to look into monetization if you're using the Gemini products. But anyway, here's the book, and you just click and it flips the page. And then you can even go and listen. And I don't know if I have. Here it is. So basically, you can see pretty much it keeps consistent character throughout. And that was nice. Click start over, and it'll start over. Yeah. So yeah, you can see that they have a consistent character. So I like that. So enough of that. They also have. So what I was building when I was in here was building an app. It's down in my chat. So I have not figured out how to get it out. We go into recent. should show. Guess maybe I'll click this X one more time. But so this is an app I was creating in Gemini. Um, and it was coming along pretty good, but then all of a sudden the front page disappeared. It has the same kind of interface. You do the back and forth with the prompts. You can see the preview and you can see the code. If you wanted to see it, you just toggle over. And of course, somewhere along the way, it got messed up. So I would probably take this into Firebase if I wanted to finish building this out. I just thought it was going to be easy to try to do it here. But in order to do the GPTs, you can go to Explore Gems. And you can go right here, New Gem. And then you're able to create one. You just put a name and what the instructions are. I didn't see, well, I guess let me take that back. You can see more if you click here, but I couldn't tell which ones were like a community, because these are all pre-made by Google. So if you wanted to see a list of community gems, I don't know where you would go for that. But maybe that's a good thing, because if you wanted to share them, it wouldn't be that easy for people to find them, especially if you wanted to resell them. So like I said, I don't know about the resellability, but it's something to look into. Anyway, this was going to be a short class tonight. Again, try to go over and look through some of the most recent posts. If you're feeling stuck, that's what I would like you to kind of focus on. I don't know why this didn't open, but let's try it now. I think there's some lag in here. Hi, Katina.
Good evening. How are you?
Good. Did you get your book? Your planner?
Ma'am, I just got it today. I'm going to post it in the community in a little bit.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah,
Thank
I don't
you
know.
very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, so I'm trying the live, and unfortunately, it doesn't seem like it wants to open any of these posts.
Oh, wow.
I click inside here. So, oh, there it goes. Wow. Okay, here we go. So yeah, I just want, if anybody's stuck, if you want to create your app, if you're stuck with coming up with an idea or a prompt, just let me know. And it's something that we can work on together.
Okay.
So, have you gotten very far?
No, I haven't. The only reason why I haven't gotten really far is because my mother-in-law passed away. So we've been doing that stuff. So it's been consuming a little bit.
Yeah, I can.
This week. So this weekend I can do some stuff because the services is on Thursday and Friday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my condolences again to you.
Thank you.
I know that feeling, because my mother-in-law, she was like a mother to me.
That was me. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it still hurts. I mean, she passed maybe 10 years ago, but it still feels like yesterday. And so much so, like when her birthday comes around, or some of those, holidays, you just kind of get into it, So yeah.
And she was the mother figure after my mom died. So
okay.
Now me and my husband both don't have either one of our parents. So
wow.
And then her birthday is coming up October 30th. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard this year.
Yeah, that's my nephew's birthday too.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, and the holidays are always really hard. I mean,
because we're used to her being down here with us in Virginia for mostly every holiday. She comes down.
Yeah. My mother-in-law, we used to cook. We would be up all night cooking, having a few drinks, listening to old school music. Yep, having a good old time.
And I'm used to speaking to her daily, and it's like it's going on a week that she's been gone, and I'm like, there's been days that I wanted to pick up the phone and just call her, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't call her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
yeah, it's tough. But I was just saying it's going to be a really short class. So I just want, if you work on that over the weekend, that's fine. We still have that challenge. I know Vernisha, she tried it once and then she tried it again. I think she got the closest.
Okay.
For the and it was probably my sister. She's funny. She said, I've been looking everywhere in all these classrooms. She's like, I'm tired of reading. This is too much stuff. She's like, you need to put it in plain sight. I said, well, maybe I did hide it too much. So I just put it close. But I thought that was fun. So we just kind of repeated that same challenge, but I'm gonna come up with something different. And I shared the one that she did. She has a community too. I don't know if you joined it. It's what's it? Visionary Lux.
I did.
Oh, okay, you did. Okay,
yeah, I did.
Okay,
I did.
Okay. Yeah, so,
I've been trying to. If someone drops their community, I try to join. And I'm bad because I have not dropped my community yet. And
oh really? Okay, what's yours?
Has been telling me to drop it, and I'm like, okay, I just don't. I've been saying I'm gonna like individually, send a message to the community owners, but I just haven't. It's been so much, and she's like, you need to get your numbers up. You need to get your numbers up.
Yeah, what you're going through right now, I can understand it. But in Ari's community, the School Boss Academy, she has a page where you can drop your link to your school.
Okay, so I'll go in there and drop it in there.
Yep. So I and it's the crazy thing is, I think already. Ari's my daughter. She's coming up on her anniversary for her school, and she has like several different communities.
Yes, and I'm in all of them.
Yeah, and I just started. We were supposed to start at the same time. And she's like, because she was one day, she's like, I could really do this. I'm like, yes, you can. I'm always encouraging, like, yeah, you can do it. Just go for it.
Yeah. And like, I just became a moderator for one of her for her school community.
The RGA.
For RGA, and I think it's one other one she put me for. I can't remember the other one right now.
Okay, yeah, I think I saw you in RGA. But it's just funny because she's like, just go for it. You can do it, Mom. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do it. I just need to finish this. I just got to do this. Or I don't know what it's going to be about. I mean, I'm all over the place, right? And she's like, you have so much that just share it. I'm like, okay, you're right. And I love AI. I've been, in computer.
Yeah, that's me. I love AI too. Oh my goodness, that is my number one thing. Like I was just talking with my sister. She was like, you know a lot. She said, I know a lot is going on. She said, but your community will grow. You just got to sit and just focus. And I say, but it's been so busy because literally I started a community and the very next week she passed away.
Oh, wow.
So it's like, it's been a lot with, and then I wound up in the hospital after having the mini stroke after I started the community. And then she wound up passing away. So it's been like one thing after the next with us. So it's like, so I said, God is in control. We're going to trust in him and that he's going to get us through this,
I say that about everything, even my life. It's like, all I can do is give it to him. We take things back, but then we wind up giving it right back. Okay, I thought I could do it, Lord. But I need you. I need you to do it. So he's going to take care of it. He sure will.
That's it. And Dia's been helping me. She's been mentoring me. So just trying to get my numbers up because right now it's stuck at 25. And I mean, I post every day, either 1 or 2 times a day. I've been putting prompts. I've been doing a lot of things in there, but I don't know what else to do to get the numbers up. So
what's your community about? What is
it's Christian based for entrepreneurs.
Okay.
And so I have like a chat GPT module. I have PLRs, Volt. D did my store, so I mean my setup for school.
Okay.
So she put a lot of different things in there. So I've just been adding like my chat GPT I created myself from beginning to end. And
Right.
she was like, well, that's a good thing. She said, it's really good how you set up and everything. She said, it's just now you just gotta, be able to focus to get the numbers up. So
Right.
I've been sending out emails, and everything, but it's just slow.
I
So
know.
what to do.
I told my sister, because she started hers too, and hers is growing too. But I told my sister, I said, it's almost because almost everybody that's in the community has a community now.
Yes.
and,
Mm-hmm.
and it's hard to be in all these places at once.
One
So,
time. Mm-hmm.
uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. And that's what I'm realizing, like a lot of the communities that I'm in, it's the same people that is in other communities.
In other communities, yep.
And they have their own communities. So it's like, okay, they're focused on getting their communities.
In their
like
communities,
said,
yep.
I can drop the link, but if they're so focused on getting theirs, no one is joining, others because they're focused on trying to get theirs up.
Well, I have to make sure I join your. Is it free or is it a?
It's
monthly?
free. It's free.
Okay.
It's free.
Yeah, and see, those are the ones that are easiest to join.
Yes.
What's the name of it again?
It's we are grace before grind.
We are grace before grind. Okay, my sister says she's going to join.
Okay,
and I'm going to join too after she finds it. Yeah, but and that's the thing. Like, so I want to say, did we put? I think we put a post in Ari's community, like especially if it's free. Let's support each other. Just join, just to get our numbers up. Yeah, it's no harm in that. And we want the engagement too, but to get the numbers up, I think it'd be a good thing.
And I think a lot of people now with the school communities, they're looking at the numbers, like they're looking at how many people you have, how many members, and those are the ones that they're joining. The ones that have like a little bit amount, they're not joining.
Yep. No, I can agree with that too. And it's like even since I went affiliate and $29 a month, and and so far I haven't grown any more since then. And I know Ari was telling me like, well, Mom, you should keep it free. Just keep it free for for a little longer. I'm like, well, there's a lot of value. I'm going to be showing people how to make computer apps and stuff using AI. So and I said, and I plan on having like lots of classes like twice a week, but I see the stagnation, and I know that people are busy. And like my sister said, a lot of us, we work full time too. So, so I just have to, I'm waiting for people to say we're ready, because I don't want them to leave,
I get it. I really get it.
Yeah. But in the meantime, we definitely want to get into that Suno music. I've made like, when I say like 100 songs, it's really like, it repeats.
Well, I'm at 40. I looked into your modules, and I have created 40 songs, and I've literally actually made a song for my mother-in-law that we're going to play during the repast. So yeah.
Wonderful.
So, I mean, I've learned a lot in your community, and I mean, Ari had taught me some things, but I think it was a little bit more easy. Sorry, my husband's coming in the door.
Okay.
It was a little bit more easier when I went into your modules and I was looking at things. Like I have to like take it slow with learning some things. And
Ari moves fast.
But I was able to grasp it, and it came quickly. Like I stayed up one night till like maybe 2-3 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, yeah, that's me sometimes. That's me sometimes. When I was doing the Suno music, I didn't go to bed till 9 o'clock in the morning. I was like, oh, this should be a crime. I'm not supposed to be doing this. And my sisters always go to bed. You need to go get your rest. I'm like, I'm going. But no, I have fun doing it. And to me, it's a passion. I love being able to kind of share, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot from other people. So I definitely encourage that in the community for people to share what they know. I try to share things that I come across. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold you long. It's just just you and I.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and you enjoy the rest of your evening.
Have a good night. Tell your sister I said good night.
Did you say good night?
Hey, good night.
Did you find it, community?
I'm trying.
Okay, well, I guess we'll try to maybe post. You can post it in my community under AI. What do they call it? It's one of under the community where you can share your links. Post it in there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Share it in mine too.
She said
Okay.
share it with hers too. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Right.
you.
Okay.
All
Good
right.
night.
You guys have a good evening.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Her name's sounding familiar.